LedsC4 revamps the lighting on the Puente de Hierro Bridge in Villafranca de Córdoba with the aim of reducing energy consumption and creating different lighting scenes depending on the year's festivities. To do so, it has used a control and connectivity system with DMX RDM technology. The lights are controlled centrally with simultaneous or individual activation, enabling the creation of static scenes or colour transitions. LedsC4 was involved in the different stages of the project, from design and installation to startup, and has achieved a unique result.